everybody, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in for video number 2 in my Redondo Beach series, with this episode being in and all about the Riviera Village. This attractive area, located on the southern side of the city, in between the beach and Pacific Coast Highway, has roughly 300 boutique stores, small businesses, outdoor restaurants, coffee shops, grab-and-go food places, breweries, spas, and beautiful nightlife with zigzag lights being right above you and also wrapped around the trees. It's certainly a great place to go window shopping and to have some of the best food in town. The area is also full of public art with all kinds of painted benches, paintings on the walls, murals on the restaurants, colorful umbrellas on the outdoor patios, and colorful flowers planted all over the place. So overall, between the art, the flowers, the shopping, and the outdoor restaurants, they all make a perfect combination that makes this part of the city well worth exploring. As for small businesses, I was able to interview the owner of the Spritz Salon, one of the newest businesses in the area as of January 2022. Please listen to a few words from Beth and her thoughts on the Riviera Village.
Hi, my name's Beth. I've lived here in Redondo Beach in the Riviera Village for about 25 years. Something I really love about the Redondo Village is how it's maintained its small town feel. You find a lot of locals and regulars in this area. I moved here in my 20s and started off bartending, and through the years I've become a hairstylist, and I've now opened up my own salon here called Spritz, kind of a speakeasy style. And I still have some clients who were my regulars at the bar when I first started bartending here. So it's a great area to walk around. You see a lot of the same faces, a lot of friendly faces. You see a lot of the local dogs. So, just a fun, small town feel, nice place to be. And we're here to keep everyone looking beautiful. So come check out Spritz.
If you want a good meal out of anywhere in Redondo Beach, 100% I suggest the Riviera Village. It has almost every kind of cuisine you can possibly think of, along with beautiful atmosphere. I do want to mention that the majority of the restaurants did not have an outdoor patio until 2020, when many of them were forced to move outside because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It then turned into an attraction for many artists to come and add some more creativity to the area. In my opinion, between the outdoor environment and the paintings, they make the area much more inviting and attractive, especially at night with the area being lit up with both heat lamps and fire lamps. Whether you decide to have your dinner next to a fire lamp or near a fire pit, you can definitely have your dessert topped with fire. The majority of the restaurants are located along the main street called Catalina Avenue, which is where I'm standing right now at one of the starting spots. In this video, I'm going to be talking about many of the restaurants, and I do want to warn you all that this video will, I repeat, will make you hungry and or get an appetite going. But before I start talking about the many restaurants and businesses, I do want to mention a great place to get a cup of coffee. Located in the heart of the village is the Coffee Cartel, which has been around since 1992 and was the city's first authentic coffee house. What makes this place so unique and different is the atmosphere inside, with countless amounts of decorations, plenty of places to sit, lots of art on the walls, and all kinds of comic cutouts and creative statues all over the place. They even have something too if you're a Nicolas Cage fan. Also, if you are wondering, this is not a beauty salon, so don't plan on getting your hair done here. And don't let that get you grouchy or in a bad mood either, because there might be a surcharge on that when you purchase your coffee. As for the most popular items, the Morning Hammer will definitely nail you. It's made with cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and honey. The lavender tea lattes are another popular seller, which I tried for the very first time, and it kept making me come back for another. Located next door is the French-style pastry shop, known as the Little French Bakery, which has a variety of croissants, danishes, and so much more. My favorite was the pistachio pastry, but any of them go well with any coffee or tea that you can take to the beach and the Esplanade just a short walk away. So all of the restaurants I would like to suggest for a good breakfast are all located at the start of Catalina Avenue and are all located near each other. The first one is HT Grill, which has a nice outdoor patio. Be sure to get the delicious stack of pancakes smothered in blueberries, and if that's not enough sugar, it even comes with a side of whipped cream. Nearby at the Rebel Republic Social House, you can have the French toast with berries and whipped cream. And if you are looking for something with less sugar, I also suggest their Eggs Benedict served with a side of breakfast potatoes. Located in between the two restaurants is the Rockefeller, which is best known for their chicken and waffles, something I definitely enjoyed sitting on their outdoor patio with, and also enjoyed having a nice view with a hot and foamy cappuccino. All three restaurants are also good to come back and have lunch or dinner at. At HT Grill, choose to sit either inside with a booth or outside near a fire pit. The Rebel Republic Social House is one of my favorites for nightlife in the entire village, with the atmosphere, the bar area, and to have a glass of red wine. The restaurant next door, called the Creme de la Crepe, is another one of my favorites for a good dessert. I got a crepe with Nutella, banana, and coconut that comes with a waterfall of flames. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. It's also a good place to come in the morning and have their breakfast crepes, which overall makes my fourth suggestion for breakfast in the area. Bon appetit! So another place I would like to talk about is the fairly new sandwich shop called the Swell Deli that opened up in June 2020. It's also located at the start of Catalina Avenue and a short walk away to the beach if you want to have lunch with a view. It's definitely one of my favorite delis in all of Redondo Beach, and now I invite you all to listen to the owner himself on what he has to say about both the store and their best-selling sandwiches.
Hello guys, welcome to Swell Deli, where we strive to give you guys the best sandos in town. We get our meats from Fumans, they're based out of New Jersey, and our bread from Normandy Bakery in Los Angeles. We've also partnered up with Swell Soda Company in San Diego. Come on by and check us out, and I hope you guys have the best sando you've ever had. So our best sellers are the Beach Blanket and the Goodfellow. The Beach Blanket is a great combination of avocado, brie cheese, and our sliced turkey. Our Goodfellow is more of our Italian grinder. We also have the Los Olivos, which is a charcuterie in a sandwich, and we make our lemonade in-house, very nice and sweet.
The Beach Blanket is definitely one of my favorites, but another sandwich I would like to suggest is the Roast Beach, which is the roast beef sandwich made with peppers and horseradish. I've had all kinds of other sandwiches, including their meatball and parmesan, and haven't had a bad experience yet. So overall, if you want something that's quick, something that you can take to the beach and have a swell lunch, this is definitely the sandwich shop for you. So here are some more restaurants I would like to briefly talk about. The Riviera House is another good suggestion with both indoor and outdoor tables. It's a well lit up restaurant at night. Their most popular item on their menu are the fish and chips. A few doors down at Locale 90, you can get some fresh wood-fired pizza. Their best seller is the margarita, and after having one, I understand exactly why. Across the street, you have the Flying Fin, which has so many beautiful and delicious sushi rolls to choose from. Nearby at Redondo Beach Brewing Company, which is the only restaurant in the Riviera Village that has an upstairs patio. You can have some good food with some good views. They are well known for both their sandwiches and their many different kinds of burgers. But don't forget to try their mud pie for dessert. They also have a sports bar where you can have many different kinds and colorful beers. Then up the street and around the corner is the Italian restaurant called Bettolino's Kitchen, which has this amazing pasta called the tortellini al limone, which is stuffed with ricotta cheese and spinach. For dessert, I enjoyed their caramel mousse with drizzles of chocolate, known as their semi-freddo. Located at the main intersection of the village is the one and only Aloha Bungalow, a place that was once used as an information center in the 1960s and is now a boutique store today that sells all kinds of pictures, clothes, and hats, which I would like to mention that this is where I bought my hat from. I thought it looked pretty good on me, and I am a South Bay local too. Besides clothes, they have all kinds of goods and items that you can have and decorate around your house with. I happened to meet the owners, who were very nice people, and would like to tell you all aloha and a little bit about their business and the product that they sell. Please listen to a few words from both Brian and Emily.
Aloha! I'm Brian,
I'm Emily.
and we're the owners of the Aloha Bungalow here in Redondo Beach, California. We've owned this wonderful little beach stand for about 4 years now, since the beginning of 2018, and we are located here in the beautiful Riviera Village in the southern part of Redondo Beach, right on the beach. And we specialize in gifts, home decor, art, candles, and almost everything that we sell is made locally here in the South Bay community in Southern California. And we try to promote the local artist community by providing unique gifts that you really can't find anywhere else, that you know when you buy from our little business, you're supporting hundreds of other small businesses in the area. So we hope you'll stop by. We love the support of the community, and mahalo for all of the goodwill.
Thank you.
So please, whenever you do make a purchase, you are helping out both small businesses and the community. I would like to mention that the trap candle at the Aloha Bungalow sells very well, but wherever you decide to go within the many stores within the area, you are definitely helping out a lot of small businesses. So please, let that be another excuse for you to come out here and shop around. Located just steps away from the Aloha Bungalow is the Greek restaurant called Turquoise. Now, if you all like Greek food, let me tell you all about my big fat Greek experience. I had their Greek salad made with feta cheese, olives, beans, and peppers. I even felt like I was in Santorini having lunch with a view. The picture, which takes up the entire wall, was actually taken by the owner himself during his trip to Greece. I then enjoyed their chicken kebab with a side of walnut hummus on their outdoor patio with a view of the village's main intersection and the Aloha Bungalow. I then came back later at night to have the same view of the nightlife and to enjoy their lamb kebab. For dessert, I suggest either their Persian ice cream or their creme brulee, which was the best I've had in a while. Nearby is the newest restaurant in the entire village, known as the Vida Modern Taqueria, which has amazing tacos. Choose between the Mexican shrimp, the pork, the carne asada, the lobster, the New York steak, the octopus, the Alaskan cod, the red snapper, and so much more. Be sure to come at happy hour to get some amazing deals. If you're a burrito person, get the surf and turf, which is the most popular one, that's filled with carne asada and shrimp. For dessert, get the vanilla bean ice cream that comes with 4 churros that's drizzled with chocolate sauce and caramel. So once when you reach the main intersection of the village, many places beyond this point are more shops or mostly food places that are grab and goes. Be sure to get a smoothie from the Punch Bowl or a slice of pizza from Padone's, a favorite by many locals. Nearby, in the parking lots, is the farmer's market every Sunday morning, a place where you'll want to spend roughly between 20 and 30 minutes exploring the many tents that sell coffee beans, wine bottles, fruits, vegetables, and other decorations. I was able to interview one of the stands called the Yum Bar. Now please have a listen to Vicky.
Hey guys, my name is Vicky and I'm the owner and founder of Yum Bar. It's a full press snack bar, great to keep you full, gives you energy, and it comes in bar forms. There's very simple ingredients in there, and it's a very great functional bar, morning breakfast, or no time to eat.
If you want something sweet nearby, visit the Hand and Scoop, where you can get your daily ice cream sundae and take it to the beach. They even have ice cream flights if you have a hard time deciding a flavor like I did. Across the street is the Rock and Brews, if you are a music lover. They have classical rock band posters all over the walls and the ceilings, and it's another great place to come for a burger and a brownie sundae. Down the street is the Mexican restaurant called Calaveras, a place you want to come to if you want to celebrate with some Patron in a very fun way. The restaurant is well decorated, the atmosphere is amazing, there's murals all over the walls, the nachos were delicious, along with their burritos that are filled with French fries. So this concludes my video for the Riviera Village. Unfortunately, I cannot mention every single business and every single restaurant, but please come on out, shop around and see what you like. And don't get too full, because my next video of the Redondo Beach Pier, I will be talking about some more great places to shop at and some more great places to eat. Stay tuned for my very next video of the Redondo Beach Pier.